Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Writesonic to automate landing pages with templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Writesonic for automating landing pages with templates, begin by visiting the Writesonic website. Create an account if you do not have one, or log in to your existing account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Templates in the main menu. Click on Templates to view the available options for creating landing pages. Select the specific landing page template you wish to use. Once the template loads, you will see a variety of fields to customize. Start by entering your product or service name in the appropriate field. Next, describe your product or service briefly to give context. Fill in the target audience information to tailor the messaging effectively. Choose a tone of voice that aligns with your brand identity from the options provided. You may also specify any unique selling points to highlight. Once you have completed all fields, review the information for accuracy. Click on the Generate button to create your landing page content. Wait a moment for Writesonic to process your request and generate the copy. After the content is ready, you can preview the landing page layout. If needed, make edits directly within the template fields. Make sure to check for coherence and alignment with your overall marketing strategy. Once satisfied with the content, proceed to save your changes. You can download the landing page or share it directly from Writesonic. Lastly, utilize the analytics tools provided to track the performance of your landing page once it is live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.